item that you're going to be receiving in your transition backpack are number cards. And so these are really great to work on identifying numbers and to work on one-on-one correspondence. And so what you're going to do with your card, I have applesauce tops here, and you can find, water bottle caps, anything that you can use for counting. And so you're going to have them draw a card, and oh, what number is it? It's number 5. And so you're going to have them count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if they're not able to identify just the number yet, you can get some paper plates or a piece of paper or anything that you have at home, and you can draw the number and also the number of dots below it, so that way they can work on their one-to-one correspondence and count each dot to know that that's the number 5. And if your children are not able to count yet, then you can just have them work on matching and sorting, and so you can encourage them to match all the blue ones or orange or the other colors that you may have.